Ara, okay na? O magyapon?
Mga zero.
O magyapon na? Pusuan? Okay na?
Try mo sir auto-rotate ang ano mo ba?
Ara na. Naka-auto-rotate na? Ara,
Okay na, okay na.
Okay na, sir.
live skip na ako. Sige. Di okay lang hindi lang ako mag-mic.
Pero, sir, kay kung may mic blurred.
Sige. Gagawa ko siguro ng lupot yun. Okay. Ah. Okay. Sige, start ha?
Yes, sir.
Dito na ako patanahan. Sige. Guys, good evening. So, yung continuation ng ito ano? Sorry. Yung mga update. So, sige po, ito na lang. So, number 19, okay? Pinapahanap dyan yung, so, number 20, pinapahanap dyan, if the struct A is replaced by 16 upon the diameter table, so I could get for the number, draw out for the development, okay? So, guys, pag ganyan, dito na lang, okay? This is TAB. Okay? So, kahapon, meron tayo dito, billboard. Okay? Meron tayo dyan, wait. Okay? So, kung matandaan nyo ba, actually, yung pressure dito kahapon ay kung 1.7. So, okay? Yung pressure natin dito is 1.7. I-multiply na natin siya sa area, 3.4. So, supposedly, 20.4 ito, okay? But kung ma-notice nyo, okay, I told you that you need to check for ways for the stability, okay? So, supposedly, hindi lang po dalawa yan, okay? Di ba sila dapat kabilang? Duwan sa yung okay? So, kung ano yung load dito, i-divide sa 2. So, instead na 30 ito, magiging 15 kilo na lang, okay? So, same goes to the horizontal, okay? So, supposedly, ito sana is 1.7 times 3 times 4, okay? You need to divide this by 2, okay? Ito po yung pressure mo, okay? So, pressure ko dyan is what? 1.7 times 4 times 3 divided by 2 is only 10.2. 10.2 kilo. Okay? So, gawin mo, mode 5.1, okay? Okay, i-model mo sa dito kasi nga 2 equations sa load sila, okay? So, this is 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees, okay? So, unahin mo lagi, ito, okay? So, ito yung pwede na okay? So, dapat consistent ka lang. Kung huli mo na, okay? Dapat, pag model mo sa second equation, yun pa rin yung unahin mo, okay? So, sa first model, i-type mo dyan yung horizontal components niya, okay? So, this is simply cosine of 30. But note, papunta ito sa left, okay? So, that is negative. Negative cosine of 30. Okay? So, for TBC, tension member BC, okay? So, that is also negative cosine 30 because pa-left din siya, okay? So, ang talong natin is 10.2, okay? So, although pa-left ito, but take note that this mode 5.1 is in terms of AX plus BY, okay, equals C, okay? So, in short, yung constant na to, which is supposedly minus sana, ilipat mo sa kabila, kaya maging positive 10.2, okay? So now, tandaan nyo lang po, sa mode 5.1, lahat po ng ilagay mo na value dito is only X component. Huwag mo scramble, okay? Na X ito, tapos Y yan, okay? So, gano'n mo. Dito ka, okay? So, ito na yan siya. This is, tingnan mo yung vertical component yan. That is, 530. Y positive because ito siya papunta doon before yung vertical component niya is upwards. Okay? So, for this number, okay? Yes?
Ang audio,
Question?
sir, hindi siya nami, sir.
Hindi namin audio?
Oo, sir, gautod-utod, sir.
Naku po. So much better siguro nga ano na lang ko. Try ko ba? Pwede lang solve ko na na tapos comment ka mo ano or comment ka
Pero
mo
kung
number
lapit,
ka mo sir.
pero kung lapit ka, sir, clear sa sir.
So in short, kinanglan ko itunugan. Sige, lawatan ko ha. Comment ka
Pero
mo kung medyo
kung lapit ka sa board, sir, go to utod sa.
sige, lawatan ko. Okay? So again, tingin dito. Okay? So i-model natin yung second number. Okay? So in short, this is negative sine of 30. Okay lang? So far. Tutulutod
Gautod-utod.
ba?
Sir.
Tutulutod ke? Sige be. Ano na lang ha. Okay. So, eto siya. Okay? Okay na ne? Okay lang? Like lang mo, hindi ko mo mabatian. Okay? Okay ka ba? Okay? Please like kung okay. Guys. Hello? Okay siya hindi?
I-try palapit sa board, sir, be.
Sige, sige, sige. Yung takot kong mic actually. Sige, look. Okay, so again. Okay. Last day, yung constant natin is 15. Okay? So, okay na? Okay gawa? O magyapon?
Medyo clear na sa sir kung ano.
Okay na gawan. Okay, sige. Guys, please model ito and please give me the value of TAB and TBC. So, kahapon, ano ito siya? Okay, so model natin. Mode 5-1. Mode 5-1.
Go to
So,
utod
negative. Tutulog to Japon?
Sir,
Ano man? Wait lang, pe. Okay, ano be? Okay gawa? Okay gawa? Or mo Japon? Guys? Guys. Okay, try ko liwat ha. Okay ka ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay na, sige. So guys, please, model natin ulit. Siguro lang ha, okay? Actually, nasolve naman yung kahapon. Okay? So the only thing na kailangan natin dito is the stress or the force here in the number BC. Okay? What's this? Negative cosine 30. Negative cosine 30. This is 10.2. Sine 30. Negative sine 30. And 15. In short, this is negative 20.89. Okay? Kilonewton. Actually, yung sa taas, ay para sa AB, is positive 9.11 kilonewton. Okay? So, kailangan lang po natin is ito. Okay? Para solve natin yung problem number 20. Okay? So, problem number 20, if the strand AB is replaced with 69 diameter steel cable, compute the normal stress developed. Okay? So, guys, kung manotice niyo po, sa problem pa lang, mali na. Why? Okay? Kasi, palitan mo ito ng cable. Kung palitan mo ito ng cable, hindi mo compress yung cable. Dapat nilagay dyan, steel tube na lang or steel pipe. Okay? Kaya kung manotice mo, compression po ito. Okay? So, wag na wag mo gagawin, lalagyan mo dito ng cable. Okay? Ang matabusin na, ang cable mo, di ba? May lukot. Okay? Kasi hindi mo pwedeng compress yung cable. Okay? So, medyo may discrepancy sa problem. Okay? So, possibly dapat dito nakalagay. Okay? Compute for the normal stress developed on the steel pipe or steel tube. Okay? So, wag na wag mo gagawin cable ito. Okay? So, just for the sake of the problem, kasi solve lang natin. Okay? So, gawin natin, the normal stress for member BC is simply what? The tension or the force on member BC divided by the area of member BC. Okay? So, then, 20.89. Okay? 20.89. Just to get the sign is 20.89 is times 10 raised to 3. Because we need to convert that into Newton. Okay? So, divide mo siya sa 5 or 4 times 16 squared. Okay? It will give you the normal stress of what? That is 20.89 times 10 raised to 3 over 16 squared times 5 over 4. So guys, this is 103.89. And then megapascal. Ito po yung sagot. Okay? So far, okay lang? Wala nagkakatulot? Okay lang?
Yes, sir. Medyo okay na.
Sige, okay. Basta signal lang dito sa Wi-Fi siguro. Okay? So, ganito po yung solution para sa number 20. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang po yung load and divide mo sa area. Okay? So, we'll now proceed sa problem number 21. Okay? So, erase ko na. Okay? So, trip nyo screenshot nyo na sa tapos sa pasok ka lang mo. Kamay na lang. Okay, number 21. Number 21, guys, is the most problem actually. Dahil ibang beses ito nabasa sa board. A pile 10 meter long is to be lifted using two cables. At what distance from the free end shall the cables be placed in order to minimize flexural stress? Okay? Guys, ganito po yung setup. Okay? Kunyari, pilote ka dyan. Okay? Pilote ka dyan. Okay? Kailangan mo siyang i-lift. Okay? 2-point lift actually. Okay? Kumbaga, talian mo siya ng cable, hindi lang po sa gitna. Okay? But dito po sa gilid. Okay? Dito po siya. Okay? Yan po yung force mo. Okay? So now, tanong. Okay? Kung ito po yung length ng pile, okay? Ito po yung length ng pile, okay? Sa anong distance mo daw ilalagay yung cable or yung pallet, okay? From the free ends para minimize mo yung flexural stress. Okay? Now, actually sa yung mga concrete sa una, sa theory, napabaan sa una. Okay? So, ganito lang po yung solution dyan. Okay? Tandaan nyo lang po, okay? Basta ang problem gani, okay? Tinatanong ka, at what point from the free end shall the cable be attached? Okay? Tandaan nyo lang po, pag flexure yung pinapa-minimize, okay? Tandaan nyo lang L, okay? X is simply 0.21 L. Tandaan nyo na, okay? The location from the free end where the cables shall be attached, okay, that is 0.21 L, okay? So guys, in short, X is just 0.21 times the total length. So here in this case, that is 10 meters. So X is equal to 2.1 meters. Okay? Yan po yung sagot. Okay? So, i-absorb nyo lang. Okay? I-dissect ko sa inyo bakit naging ganito. Okay? So now, sir, bakit naging 0.21? Ganito po yung solution dyan. Okay? Ganito ko na. So, malamang may answer ka na. Okay? Answer ka na 2.1. Dyan po yung letter S. Yan o, letter B. Okay? So, kung gusto mo ginawan ang result or ang breakdown, okay, saan po nang galing yung 0.21, ganito lang po yun. Okay? I-treat mo siya na parang ganito. Okay? Guys, kung notice nyo po, may support ka dyan. Okay? Napapataas. Okay? Tapos, tandaan lang po, yung file na yan, meron po yung self-weight. Okay? So, of course, instead na lagyan mo siya ng lifting force, why not, i-treat mo siya na parang beam to, tapos supported siya ng dalawang column. Okay? Parang ganito yung setup niya. Ito yung beam. Okay? Supported ka po ng dalawang column. Parang ganun din. Okay? It's just as if na yung beam na to, equal ng diniga. Okay? Kaya, kaso yung dalawang force na to, yan din naman yan. Okay? Now, yung load nyo po dito, is of course, uniform load. Ganyan po siya. Okay? Why uniform, sir? Because, okay, yung load na kinikerry ng file na yan, ng beam na yan, is its self-weight. Okay? So, this is W. Okay? Now, ganito gawin mo. Okay? Kung F2 is X, okay? If the total of this is L, okay? So, yung matitira is what? L, bawasan mo ng dalawang X, this is simply L minus 2X, okay? Now, correct. Ito gawin mo, okay? Gumawa ka ngayon ng shear diagram, okay? Ito po yung shear diagram mo. The V diagram, okay? Now, kung manotice nyo guys, okay? Yung total load nito or yung total weight nito is simply the product of the self-weight, okay, the uniform load W times the total length, okay? So, yung total resultant po is dito po yung tatama sa gitna, okay? So, that is WL, okay? WL. Now, ito, so dalawang support yung hati doon. So, tama lang ba, okay, na yung resultant or yung reaction dito is simply WL over 2, same din dito na WL over 2, okay? So, mangyari, yung resultant or yung reaction mo dito is simply okay? WL over 2. Same goes with here. WL over 2. Okay? So now, pag-gawa mo ng shear diagram na, okay? Sa point na to, zero shear ka. Okay? Now, what will happen? Okay? From here, zero ka, unti-unti ka ikutulak ng W na to. Okay? After a point na magiging W times X ka. Okay? Tandaan niyo lang po, shear is a force. So in short, kung W is kilonewton per meter, i-multiply mo siya sa X na meter, okay? This will become the shear force. W times X. WX. Okay? Now, pagdating sa point na to, meron ka diyang reaction na WL over 2. Itulang ka niyang pataas. Okay? So, what will happen? Okay? Dito siya. Okay? This is what? Okay? WL over 2 minus WX. Okay? Now, pagdating sa point na to, so, bakit wala kang value? Kasi nga, lahat po na to variables, okay? Yung X niyan, yung W, yung L niyan, hindi mo alam, okay? So, gagawa tayo ng formula, okay? So, now, again, negative WX, itulak ka niyang pataas, that is WL over 2, okay? So, subtract mo lang siyang dalawa, okay? Now, anong mangyayari, okay? Kung manotice mo po, WL over 2 dito minus WX, now, pagdating sa point na to, okay? Itulak ka niya ulit, okay? Itulak ka niya ulit, papunta dun, okay? So, in short, bababa ka ulit, okay? Dito siya. Okay? Now, kung notice mo, eto po siya, this is WL over 2 minus WX, okay? Eh kaso, itinulak ka ng pababa ulit, okay? Minus, ilan yun siya? W times, ilan yung length yan? That is L minus 2X, okay? Pag sinimplify mo yung buong equation nito, okay, that is simply what? That is simply WX negative, okay? Ito, W times L negative, okay? WL over 2, okay? So, mangyari, okay? So, WL over 2 minus WL is negative WL over 2, okay? So, WX, negative, maging positive, this is what? This is positive WX, okay? Tama? Okay? So, now, yung mangyari guys, yung negative WL over 2 minus WX na to, okay? Itulak ka niya pataas. By how much? Okay? Itulak 0. Okay? Eh kaso, meron pa matitira na WX. So, the only thing na matitira dito is WX. Okay? So, kung manotice nyo po, pagdating sa point na to, WX na lang yung value ng share mo. Eh kaso, may natitira ka pang na ganito. Okay? So, guys, ito natin. Yung W na yan, pababa pa rin. Okay? So, itulang ka niya. By how much? W times X.
Sir,
Okay?
excuse me, sir.
Zero. Yes?
Sir, gautod-utod na, sir, pati ang video, sir.
Galag na?
Oo, sir.
Gas stop
Ako po.
motion ka na, sir.
Sige lang pa. Bakit kaya? Wala ko katakot, Mike.
Pati ang video, sir, gautod-utod.
Sige daw. Okay? Okay na? Okay na?
Oo,
Pagkano
sir.
ko?
Kung lapit kaya, sir, clear sa. Pero kung magpalapit ka na ya sa board, dara nag-start, utod-utod, sir.
Okay. Paano man? Palapiton mo na kita pa. Arabe. Kaso nagahilay. Ito nga. Wait lang. At? Sige, pwede what pa. Guys, okay? Pagkano ko?
Try palapit sa board, sir.
Sige, bata. Okay, pagkano ko?
Ara
Ano
naman,
nga?
sir. Ara naman, sir.
Okay na? Okay na?
Malag ka, sir.
Galagi
Wala
sa
po?
sir. Basta ka palapit kaya sa board, sir.
Ano? Saan naman? Ah. Kung lapit ko, okay. Iwan. Kung i-zoom ko ba? Okay ka ba? Sige, okay ka ba? Dati ba? Okay ka ba? Yo guys.
Try palapit, sir, be.
Sige. Okay ba? Ka ba? Okay na? Okay ka po?
Continue lang, sir. I-ano lang na. Itapos lang guro, sir. I-ano lang
Wait lang,
na.
mupo ko ano? Sige. Okay? So, ganito po. Okay? So, yan po yung share dyan. Okay? So, that is WX. Now, pag ginawa mo yan ng movement diagram, okay? Ganito mangyayari. Okay? Now, okay? So, guys, kung ano po, zero share ka dyan. Okay? Zero share ka. Tandaan nyo lang po, parang minimize mo yung minimize mo yung flexion. Okay? Dapat, okay, yung area nito, equal na din sa area nito. Okay? This is area 1. This is area 1. Okay? This is your area 2. Okay? So now, by that, yung movement mo dyan is 0. Okay? Negative, tapos maging 0 ka dito. Okay? Ganyan po yung magiging diagram din. Okay? So, paano siya makukuha? Okay? So, gawin mo, yung area nito, equate mo lang din dito. Okay? So, basta. Okay? So, area 1 is just simply, kunin mo yung area ng triangle na to. Okay? That is simply 1/2 times WX. Okay? Now, how about this one? Okay? So, guys, that is simply area 2 equals 1/2 times area 1/2 WX times the length which is X. Okay? So, ganyan po siya. Okay? So, yung area 2 naman, okay, kunin mo yung area ng triangle na to. Okay? So, kung manotice mo, L minus 2X ito. Okay? So, guys, kung manotice mo, dito po yung siya tatama sa gitna. So, kalahati lang yung kunin mo. That is L minus 2X divided by 2. So, far, okay? Okay ka ba? O gala?
Oo,
Guys.
okay lang siya gawa, sir.
Okay na, sige. So, well, pa siguro okay?
Excuse me sir, basta naka-on ninyo noise cancelling sir, amo nang dugotod-utod ko.
Kasi, try ko ba? Wala man. Wala na ka na? Wala na ka na? Okay na? Okay na, guys?
Oo, okay siya, sir, kung wala ka sa frame, sir.
Kung wala ka sa board.
Oo, sir, okay lang siya kung wala ka, hindi ka makita sa sa recording.
Pero kung araan ako sa board,
Choppy siya gulpi, sir.
nako, ano naman? Kagabi, okay man, di ba? As in, nagalagid saya. Try ko ba guys mag-send bago nga link. Okay lang?
Pwede sir, pwede gid sir.
Sige, 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 okay.
Pwede man ang link tagagapon sir, pwede man to liwaton.
Kamo na lang itong kahapon.
Ah,
Sige pa. Ari kahapon. Wait lang. Sige, ari guys. Dito na ko mo yan. Kung ni front cam ko be. Okay yan. Try ko guys ha. Guys, okay. I-front cam ko. Okay yan.
good sir, good.
Goods na siya, sir, goods.
Pera na lang, muna lang na. Okay, so guys, hindi na ako magpadugay niya, okay? Ganta lang kamutit, okay? Hindi na ubos ka ron, okay? So guys, amo lang iliwat, okay? For you to minimize the flexure, dapat po yung area ng shear diagram nito, okay, maging equal, okay? So, bigyan natin kita ng idea, okay? Yung area 1 equals dapat sa area 2, okay? So, here in this case, tingnan mo ito, okay? Yung area 2 na to, that is simply, kung manotice mo, yung height niyan is simply WL over 2 minus WX, okay? So, WL over 2 minus WX, okay? Yan po yung height niyan. Now, how about yung base niya, sir, okay? Kung manotice niyo po, yung distance between the support is L minus 2X. So, guys, kalahati lang po yung base ng triangle nito. Okay? So, what is that? That is L minus 2x, okay, divided by 2. Now, sir, di ba kanina sabi mo, yung x ko is equal sa 0.21 L, okay? Gawin mo lang, okay? A1 should be equal sa A2, okay? So, now, paano siya gagawin, sir? Kasi yung W ko tsaka L wala pang value, okay? So, gawin mo, let L, okay? Bigyan kita ng hintahan, okay? Let L, let L, okay, be equal sa 1, okay? Same goes with W, okay? Tapos i-shift solve mo, and X will become what? That is 0.207L actually, okay? 0.207. Pag in-round up mo yan, that is simply 0.21. Sir, wala man yung L, okay? Ibalik mo lang yung value ng L, that is 0.21L, okay? Tandaan nyo ganyan, basta gina-minimize yung flexion, that is 0.21L. Now, pag tinanong ka naman, at what value of X or at what value of X from the PN should a cable be placed to minimize the shear? Anong gagawin? Okay? So guys, matik ha. Kapag flexure yung gina-minimize, 0.21L. Kapag shear yung gina-minimize, X is equal to what? That is 0.25 of L. Or simply, 1/4 of L. Liwatan ko ha. Basta flexure gani, 0.21. Basta shear gani, 0.25. Ayos? Okay na? Okay, so observe mo na lang, okay? Hindi na ako padugay diyan, okay? Again, liwat, 0.21L lang po yung sagot. So here in this case, yung problem natin, L is 10 meters, okay? So 0.21 of 10 meters, that is 2.1 meter, okay? So far, okay lang?
Malagjapon,
Okay
sir.
lang? Ha?
Malagjapon.
Dalag yapon?
Well, sir.
Paano naman? Shit.
Try
Maski
to be,
naka-front cam, kalagyan. Ha?
well, try to be zoom, sir. Ang zoom.
Sa Zoom, wala ako Zoom nga app.
Kaya basi tama takaraka do sa Gmail mo na lag.
Ha? Wait lang ha, ba? Paano naman? Kasi maubos yung oras na karon. Kung sa YouTube ako mag-live, guys. Okay lang?
Pwede yun, sir. Try ta, sir.
Try tabi. Kasi maubos yung oras na karon. Shit. Sorry guys ha, ano man.